Welcome to Pinoy Halo-Halo, your ultimate guide to all things Filipino. For years we've taken you on a delicious journey, exploring the vibrant flavors and rich traditions that make the Philippines so special. From the bustling street food stalls of Manila to the sweet, icy delight of a perfectly crafted halo, we've celebrated the tastes that bring us all together. Our passion has always been to share the heart and soul of Filipino culture, one amazing dish at a time. We've uncovered hidden culinary gems, shared cherished family recipes, and showcased the incredible diversity of our island's cuisine. It's been an incredible adventure, and we've loved having you with us for every single bite. But the Filipino story is so much more than just food. It's a story of incredible resilience, groundbreaking innovation, and a history as colorful and layered as Halo-Halo itself. That's why we're so excited to announce a brand new chapter for our channel. We're expanding our horizons and diving deeper into the stories that shape our nation. Introducing Filipino Today, our new weekly series dedicated to bringing you the most fascinating discoveries, historical insights, and current events from across the archipelago. We'll venture beyond the kitchen to uncover ancient mysteries buried for centuries. From forgotten scripts to archaeological wonders that rewrite our past, we'll shine a light on the brilliant Filipino minds of today, showcasing their world-changing inventions and technological breakthroughs that are putting the Philippines on the global map. We'll also keep you informed about the local developments and community stories that truly matter, offering a perspective you won't find anywhere else. Imagine journeying with us to unearth a lost city, or meeting the young scientist who just developed a sustainable energy source. Picture us exploring the untold stories of our heroes and getting an inside look at the projects transforming our local communities for the better. Filipino Today is your front row seat to the dynamic, ever-evolving story of our country. We're committed to bringing you well-researched, engaging, and inspiring content that celebrates every facet of the Filipino identity. This is more than just news. It's a celebration of our heritage and a glimpse into our future. So, if you love the Philippines and want to explore everything it has to offer, from its delightful flavors to its incredible stories, then you're in the right place. We invite you to join us on this exciting new journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let's explore all things Filipino, together, every single week. This is Pinoy Halo-Halo, and your adventure is just beginning. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.